previous owner had a different style sway control here, and we're gonna paint over that, remove this, get everything looking better. We need to preserve the location of this, so taking a second just to measure off where it is. But that's still mud for Moab. Still rust in the old battery box.
Please like, subscribe, click the notification bell. It really helps our channel.
I've exposed quite a bit of rust here on the bottom of the gas tray. Also, I wanted to get to the frame here to make sure it got painted as well. Time to prep that. Wind's picking up a little bit, huh?
Yeah, big time, actually. You can buy the factory paint at Airstream, but the guy at Airstream said that Rust-Oleum will do the trick too, so that's what we're doing, because it's so easily accessible.
Well, wasn't it really expensive?
It was, especially when you compare it to like a oil-based Rust-Oleum.
We know this is the old battery box, and it's definitely got some rust pitting. I would presume it relates to it having batteries in it. We know it'll never be perfect, but at least it's better now. Day 2, we're just getting set up to put a second coat on most of the hitch. Look out for any problematic areas, particularly down in the battery box. I'd like to coat that a little better. Well, I think it looks better. Looks fresh. We don't want to show up at a campground looking shabby, so I think we've got this looking good for another season. Name of the game is keeping the rust at bay.
I think it's better if it's nothing else.
Yeah.
I think it'll get us through the next season.